welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Shireen, and it's Sunday afternoon and I'm taking a stroll downtown. I'm going to a car show.
Woke up this morning, the sun in my eye. No stress, just glad to be alive. Wash my face, step out, take a dive. It's a brand new day, I'm grateful.
That's right.
I'm checking my pages. Got time for no haters.
No hate.
Mark you, I don't know anything about cars really. I just hear there's gonna be Ferrari and Lamborghini and Bentley and I don't know what else. That's why I'm going, so I can figure out and see what else there is. So I want you guys to join me. I want you guys to come on with me so you can see all the cars and whatever other excitement they have down there. All right, so see you later. All right guys, so I'm on my way to downtown. As usual, it's crazy traffic. I mean, it's Sunday evening, all roads lead to downtown for all the activities they're having down there. I'm thinking definitely it's not only the car show they're having. So yeah, it's crazy traffic, bumper to bumper. So I'm just keeping you guys updated, keeping you posted, letting you know what's going on. So I don't know, come drive the traffic with me. All right. So what they clock in a London name? Ben. Okay, this is our form of Ben. I guess this is not Big Ben, it's just Ben, right? Alright, still in traffic guys. We're downtown Toronto now at least. It's just to find the street that they're having the car show on. As usual, I'm always driving blind. Don't really know where I'm going. I just know it's on the street. So I'll eventually find it. Yeah, so reach there. We see all the lights. It's summer and everybody down here is just black, gray, those dead colors, boring, cool colors so to speak. It's summer and nobody's in neon green like me. The colors for the summer are the hot pink and the neon green and bright, happy colors, right? But nah, this is my country still, but as usual, these people don't they're very conservative and reserved when it comes on to their dressing and their fashion and their colors and stuff like that. All right, but I guess I'm gonna be the life of the party.
Look like a stoplight.
I need to be the life of the party. Police is coming. Oh dear, I'm sorry.
Look like a cash outside.
Whatever, leave me alone.
Okay.
It's the color of the summer, so if you don't know fashion, you won't understand. These are the colors for the summer. We're going to a car show on Bloor Street, not a booth on over by Toronto or whatever. That's a whole different something altogether. Alright guys, so we're here. But as usual, there's no parking. Which is why when I come downtown, I take the bus or the train. I cannot bother with the parking issue. The car show ends in 1 hour, and we are here struggling to try to find parking. Yeah, so we're in a little alley, a little avenue. Pretty tight, like just the size of the vehicle, basically. Vehicles are parked on the side, but it's very risky to park on the sides because a lot of these people end up picking up tickets from the traffic wardens and the traffic police. So this is Bloor Street. This is like where the action is going on too. It's blocked off. Oh, there's some tourists checking out Toronto, the view in their upstairs bus. Guys, it's 4:30. The car show ends at 5, and all we have been doing is driving around looking for parking. Can you believe it? Like in less than 30 minutes. All know I haven't seen a car because there's nowhere to park. Like literally this place just work out for people who like these when you have activities and events going on. Take the train and the bus, or people who ride their bikes, or walk, or people who live on the area. Like coming from far out, or the outskirts of the city, what's going on, and you want to drive your own vehicle, just take the bus or the train or whatever to go back home. Parking. So yes. All right, guys. So we finally find a parking underneath a mall. And now we are walking up to the venue just to see if we can at least catch a little 15 minutes of the car show. Wish I had reached earlier so I could actually show you guys more, show you all the cars and everything, so you could actually enjoy the show with me. But anyways, let's hope we get some time, or let's hope they don't end exactly at 5. So yeah, we're walking now up to the street. All right. Yeah, we are taking the train because we literally parked under the train station, right? And then we would have been 5 minutes walk, and we reached less than 5. All right, guys. So we're finally here. Looking at the cars, as usual. I don't know cars, but at least I know that these are Mustangs, right? At least I remember that little, is it a horse or whatever it is? Yeah, finally here looking at the cars, right? And they have red carpet, guys. Come follow me, red carpet. Woo-hoo. Celebrity thing. So I can walk on the red carpet and look on cars. All right, let's see what else they have. Look on the car, them to tell you what kind of car, to show you, I don't know anything about cars, alright? And then I see Benz, McLaren. I'm yet to see the Lamborghini or the Ferrari. I think I'm going to have to go over there on the side. Vintage section. Don't ask me no question, I tell you don't know. I don't know not even one. Oh, this is a Jaguar. This one is a Jaguar. So I'll figure this one out. This one is a Jaguar. Is there any Rolls Royce?
She doesn't figure nothing out. She just read it.
What's on that? Grand Spot. I'm trying to find some other cars, like the vintage ones, them. I really don't know the names. I don't know nothing vintage. What I have to be doing is looking at signs and symbols on the car to figure them out. I guess this is where it ends. Oh, there's more over there. So every lane basically has kind of a section, like every lane or every street have a bunch of cars. So let me take you over to another lane that has some other cars. another street where there's some more cars too. So basically, there's different sections with different cars. So this is one street. I'm gonna walk again and look at another street. All right, so come on with me. So that was a $350,000 Aston Martin, all right? So we actually have a guy here who does live spray painting, like freelance live spray painting. He's literally doing painting without even looking at a picture or anything like that. Like it's real talent right there.
It's all good. You guys are little good.